guys, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having an awesome day. Y'all know that I normally don't come on Wednesdays, but I just couldn't resist coming on and sharing this with my friends. This is one of those last minute quickie gifts that you can whip up in no time. This is my version of a martini on the rocks. But here's the secret. You can have as many of these as you like, as often as you like. And you know something else that's great about this? I made this as a Christmas gift. But once we are beyond COVID, and we start having our bridal showers and our baby showers, birthday parties, anniversary parties, these make great party favors. And these little cuties are super simple to make. And it's only going to cost you about $3.20 to make it. And I'm going to show you how right now. So here is what we're going to need. I have a bag of bath bombs that I got from the Dollar Tree. And you get 3 in this pack. And I have this cute little body scrub on a handle, $1 at the Dollar Tree. And I also got my martini glass from the Dollar Tree. So $1. So far, guys, we've got $3 invested in our project. And then I have this tool that I had in my stash, and I probably got this from Hobby Lobby. But as you know, tool does not cost a lot. So I am probably using, my guess is about 20 cents worth. I don't even think it's really that much. But this is going to be super, super easy. So we're just going to take the 3 bath bombs out of the bag. I'm going to take my scrubbie and put it in my glass, and then I'm going to add my rocks. And that is how we get the martini on the rocks. But don't you think that that is just so cute? Imagine this done up in the bridal colors or the baby colors. Perfect, perfect little gift. So now we need to bring in the tool, and I have a piece that's approximately 18 by 18 inches. And all I'm going to do is take it and fold it on the diagonal so that I'll have a triangle, because I want to get to the center of this. And once I get to the center, all I'm going to do is take my scissors and cut a little opening. And we want the opening because then we're basically just going to take the base of the glass and feed it through the hole, just like that. And now we can take the tool and just pull it up in all directions. So then, guys, we're going to pull it as tight as you want yours with a rubber band and just wrap that rubber band around until we have it as tight as you want. And then once we have it like this, I am just going to take my scissors and trim off my excess because I want a little bit of a poof on this. And this is cute all by itself, but I have a strip of tulle that is about 4 inches by 12 inches that I am going to wrap around. I'm going to take it and wrap it around where I have the rubber band showing. And then I have a tag that I want to add at this point because now I'm going to tie myself just a little bow. So I've got my tag tucked in and it's going to hang just like that. And so now, guys, I'm going to take my tool and I am going to tie it into a bow just to finish this off all cute. Then I'll come in with my scissors and I'm going to nip off. I'm nipping off the excess ribbon. And just like that, y'all, we have our second martini on the rocks. Super simple to make, so easy, so cute, and definitely will be so appreciated. So add this to your growing list of little things that you can make to brighten someone's day, whether it's Christmas or any other reason. So guys, I hope that you have liked this fun, quick and easy, stinking cute little project. If you have, please hit the like button. If you are not a subscriber to my channel, I'd love to have you join my online crafting family. You guys, as always, be safe, be kind, happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.